Hey guys, it's Aiden here with Rodock, and today we're going over Sure-Trac's C-channel car hauler. This is a 7x24 10K model. Up front, you have your A-frame with your 2 5/16 coupler, your setback jack, which is the drop leg, since this is a 10K model, a drop-in toolbox we optioned it with, safety chains, and then you got your 7-way round plug-in. As you see, we have the treated decking, and then we did option it with a winch plate too. And then you got 2 D-rings up front, along with your rubber rail and stick pockets down the side to secure your load. You got a spare tire mount over there. And then as you go down the trailer, you see the powder coat finish. This has two 5,200-pound spring axles, brakes on both axles. It's a 225/75 R15 tire. And on the rear, you see it's got a 2-foot dove, so it's a 22-foot flat deck, 2-foot dove, and you got slide-out ramps with plenty of options to where you need to place them. All LED lighting, and then you got 81.5 inches in between the fenders. That's pretty much all for this trailer. If you guys got any questions, give us a call here at 419-394-4408. Thanks for watching.